Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are checking out the iRobot Roomba 1042 in-1 vacuum and mop robot. This is a self-emptying robotic cleaner with 70x powerlifting suction and LiDAR smart navigation. It features a 75-day capacity AutoEmpty dock and intelligent carpet detection while mopping. If you want hands-free cleaning for pet hair and mixed floors, this one delivers. Let me break down the specs. It has 70x more powerlifting suction compared to Roomba 600 series for deep cleaning carpets and hard floors. The AutoEmpty dock holds up to 75 days of debris in an AllergenLock bag, trapping 99% of allergens as small as 0.7 microns. ClearView LiDAR navigation quickly maps your home and cleans in neat rows even in the dark. Battery life is 120 minutes, covering large homes on a single charge. The 2-in-1 design vacuums and mops with 3 cleaning modes, including vac only, mop only, or combo mode. Auto carpet detection keeps rugs dry while mopping without complex programming. SmartScrub provides 2x deeper scrubbing for high traffic areas. App control via Roomba Home app lets you schedule, target rooms, and create keep-out zones. Voice control works with Alexa, Siri, and Google Assistant. Edge sweeping brush improves corner cleaning by 20%. Includes docking station and washable microfiber mop pad. The self-emptying feature is a game changer. You don't touch it for over 2 months. LiDAR navigation ensures systematic coverage, not random bouncing. The 4-stage cleaning system combines intense suction, multi-surface brush, edge sweeping brush, and mop pad for complete floor care. If you want a powerful self-emptying robot vacuum and mop with smart navigation, the Roomba 104 delivers. Link in description. Thanks for watching.